also a challenge for Julian to protect and preserve his love against pressure from his family. However, deep down, Julian still cannot completely put aside his worries. He tells himself that time will tell whether his decision is right or not. Whereas with a heart full of love, but also burdened by doubts, Julian enters into marriage with Violet, hoping that their love will be strong enough to overcome all future challenges. Near the wedding day, Julian Carter begins to feel a growing confusion and anxiety. Although he had previously decided to go ahead with the marriage with Violet Hart, the pressure from his family and the sudden return of Ivy Monroe have shaken his confidence. Julian's family, especially his parents, are constantly opposed to this relationship. They worry that Violet, with her humble background, will not be able to provide Julian with the support he needs to continue to advance in his career. The situation becomes more complicated when Ivy Monroe, Julian's ex, suddenly appears. Ivy, after being away from Chicago for a while, hears about Julian's wedding and decides to return to convince him to reconsider. Ivy still has deep feelings for Julian and believes that they still have a chance to mend their relationship. She begins to approach Julian, recalling old memories and trying to convince him that they still have a future together. Ivy does not hesitate to express her desire to rekindle their old love and even advises Julian to cancel the wedding with Violet. Julian is torn between two choices. On the one hand, he feels that he has found true peace and happiness with Violet, who always makes him feel loved and appreciated. On the other hand, Ivy, with her charm and familiarity, evokes old feelings in Julian. Ivy's persuasion, along with strong opposition from her family, makes Julian hesitate about his decision. In the days leading up to the wedding, Julian finds himself at a crossroads where each direction has unforeseen consequences. He begins to wonder if he truly loves Violet enough to overcome the challenges ahead, or if the relationship